Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up missed call reminders on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and select Apps. In Apps, select System App Settings. Next, select Call Settings. In Call Settings, select Advanced Settings. Now tap Missed Call Reminders. Select the amount of reminders you want to receive when you get a missed call. Each notification will come in 5-minute intervals. Missed call reminders are now set up on your Xiaomi phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.